supposed to be there. That put you right We kind of keep an eye on what's behind me too. Without necessarily turning around. Shit. Drop the weeds out. Okay. Here we go. I want to puff pass. Shit. I like my camel pack. Can't never be too. Get some back to my mama. So yeah, everybody. I'm on this journey dealing with self. Everybody is. I'm having to face some hard truths about myself, ego and pride, being humble, the asshole like I put out to be. I will admit, these last few years, y'all, I've been in New Mexico since around February, March 2021. Not long after my mother passed. Yeah, this shit started off crazy. Everything. When I go back and I sit and I think about it. I started off in Carlsbad, New Mexico. I hopped in a rental car in Kansas City and drove up there to a shelter. Ended up in about almost a couple grand worth of debt behind that move. More than that. Now, tallying up everything. Maybe 3, 4. The one move ain't expensive. I needed it. I've been fighting my ass off, yeah. I've been fighting more than I ever fought in my life. Literally. Oh, I've been battling all my life. But whereas I had to physically fight the motherfucker. Even growing up in all these institutions since I was a kid. Certain people left me the fuck alone. They knew I had a goddamn problem. They didn't really come fuck with me. I'm on some killing shit. Even as a kid. It's very rare. It took for one of the baddest, ignorant motherfuckers to fuck with me. And usually even then. I rarely lost a fight. And usually have to fight more time with somebody that don't come fuck with me no more. In fact, that they know I'm doing some private shit. trying to get a motherfucker, like, get him detention, stab him. Well, I didn't stab nobody detention. I stabbed well, allegedly stabbed somebody. They said, I don't know if they said that or not. I heard the police outside and I was talking. Job corpse. But, yeah. Putting myself in debt now to get out here. But I needed this. Oh my God, I needed this so bad. I needed this. I wish I could just live here. Over here. What would I eat, y'all say? She pines. Plenty of pine cone. They eat pine bark. Shit. Water. Oh, when they flood. It's like this water. It's like floods. Yep. I'm just trying to practice on being still. Breathing. Just living in the moment. Not worried about tomorrow. Yeah. Sorry about that, y'all. Walking that drawers on shit. Hell, my man, shit. So, I watch crazier shit than that on TV. So, the kids do too. So, yeah, not everybody. Yeah, fuck. About hearing some pepper shit on me. I'm soaking in that sun and that water in my feet. Yeah. Hit you, but I'm sorry. I'm just trying to stop doing that, y'all. I could be a little blunt. Not a little blunt. Overpowering, overwhelmingly vocal, selfish. When I am like that. Yeah. Learned a lot about myself, yeah. I've been treating myself. I've been treating other people how I've been allowing other people to treat me. 42 years old, yeah. Bless. Phew, boy. I'm here in New Mexico, in the woods again. Would I have ever thought this? I'm 40-something years old. As a little boy being strapped down to them beds and locked them out in damn isolation rooms behind fucking metal doors and concrete floors and walls with no mattress. I thought I'd be here. I didn't think I wouldn't be, but I really thought I would have been in the woods having a moment of reflection and healing, breathing. Been fighting on my life, y'all. Some old self-preservation. A lot of it was misguided self-preservation. Learning though. Learning. This shit is real. Yeah. I don't know where the fuck I'm about to go. What I'm doing. Yeah. People trying to figure me out, but they don't know. They see me driving this brand new car. They confused. They confused if I'm walking. But you know, it's not a bad. It's not a bad thing for the most part. I get off people. I've been going out. I've been around, so I know some uncanny people and they last all my life shit. If I ain't even the last few years, my whole fucking life. I've been uncanny at times. I've been cutthroat at times. There was a point in my life, if I was broke, I had a pistol. Fuck around and rob me. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, when I went to prison, yeah, I got on some bullshit. So, just make no mistake about it. No casting stones here, man. Shit. Gotta do enough of them myself. I sure the fucked up. I've been meeting people along this journey. Other star seeds. Different stages. Their journey. Same kind of thing. So, it's amazing. I'm grateful. I learn to love life. Yeah, I've never been. Who know what it means to be happy? Like, really. Like, I don't understand bliss. Uh, I don't. I don't know what it's like to feel true love. I don't know how to express it. Not in its fullness. Because even my love it comes with stipulations. Because I'm quick to shit when you ain't acting right or doing it in line of how I feel things are supposed to be. Like my mama type shit, bro. That's Scorpion. Shit. My birth chart got Scorpio all through it. I'm Ophiuchus / Sagittarius. At the cusp of Scorpio too. My ascendant sign is Aries. My moon sign, I think, might be Libra or Scorpio. No, it's Scorpio. My moon sign is Scorpio. Goddamn all that fire, no wonder. Fucking firecracker. I need that. A lot of fucking fire. Sagittarius, Aries. Scorpio is not fire though. Scorpio will sting your motherfucking ass. That's sneaky shit. Scorpio. This is, yeah, astrology and stuff is really real. Earth chart shit tell you no fucking lie, man. Can't make this shit up if I wanted to. I ain't get no signal out here, so I ain't really use the phone. You trying to go down here, you motherfucker. Well, like, you wash your balls, then shit. Right. Nigga. They'll watch it for me. Some type of shit. Good vibes, good vibes. I'm trying to see if my phone worked out here. Pretty sure it's not. Nope. No network available. Enough of this for now, y'all. It's quiet time.